Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Keybank online banking accounts. If you would like to enroll into online banking for Keybank and you don't know how to do it, then simply keep watching the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by pressing that subscribe button. Also, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now, in order to get started, open up a web browser. As soon as you open up a web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.key.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site of Keybank, which looks like this. To sign up or enroll into online banking, click on this link that says Enroll in Online Banking on the right hand corner. And on the next page, select the kind of account you would like to enroll with, whether it is a personal or business. In my case, I'm going to choose personal account since I'm enrolling into my personal account. Now click the next button to reach to the next step. On the next page, you'll need to fill out the necessary information about yourself and confirm your identity. Enter your social security number in the text box that appears on this page. Make sure to enter your information correct. And now, if you'd like to use an ATM or debit card number and PIN, select the ATM or debit card number and PIN option and enter the last 4 digits of your card and then your PIN number followed by an email address. Similarly, if you choose the credit card or account number option, you'll need to type in your account number in the text box. Type in your account number for your Keybank and now enter your email address on the next field. Provide a valid email address that you have an access to and click on the next button. On the next page, you'll be asked to set up a username and password to authorize your account, and once it is completed, you can use online banking services for Keybank. That is how you can easily sign up Keybank online banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.